How to review added friends on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review added friends on Facebook mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and now click this three lines here in top corner and then go down, click settings and privacy and now click settings and go down. Here you will find activity log and then click connections, added friends, and here you can manage your added friends on Facebook mobile. And that's it for today's video. That's how to review added friends on Facebook mobile. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.